why should you check out these marijuana stocks? 2 pot stocks to watch for mid-August. The landscape for investing in marijuana stocks has changed drastically over the past few months. Although much of the cannabis industry remains the same, there are only a few key changes that pot stock investors should be aware of. For one, the coronavirus pandemic has completely reshaped the cannabis industry. In the past few months, we have witnessed trading for top marijuana stocks to watch change greatly. In addition, the demand for marijuana has shot up quite a lot during this time period. Because of COVID, investors should know that pot stocks are more volatile than ever. With this in mind, we can begin to understand how to trade within the current market trends. A major pot stock to watch. Euphoria Inc. is one of the largest marijuana stocks in the industry. Recently, Euphoria stock showed a 5th quarter in a row producing positive earnings. Because of this, many investors have begun to pay more attention to what Euphoria stock is doing. In only a year or so, the company was able to grow its EBITDA by more than 30 times, showing a current amount of around $8.5 million Canadian. In addition, Euphoria stock has garnered attention due to the company having as much as 500 million Canadian dollars in free cash. As one of the only profitable pure-play pot stocks, Euphoria stock has continued to be a top marijuana stock to watch. Another large marijuana stock to keep an eye on. Aurora Cannabis Inc. is one of the most traded marijuana stocks in the industry. As of December of last year, Aurora stock was the most traded company on all of Robinhood. With that, the company has since dropped by a few places on that list, but it does still remain quite popular. Because of its size, Aurora stock has continued to garner a lot of attention in the cannabis industry. Again, its size is not the only thing that matters. Rather, Aurora Cannabis has continued to develop its market presence in several countries outside of its domestic Canadian market. The company has stated that it is continuing to work on having a large foothold in the German cannabis industry. With very low and competitive prices for its cannabis, Aurora stock has a great chance at showing success in the near and distant future. But with some big losses this year, investors should always keep an eye on this volatile pot stock to watch. All of this considered, Aurora stock continues to show that it has a lot of potential to remain one of the largest marijuana stocks in the industry.